I would like to try the ice cream burger.
Would you like to learn how to make one?
Yeah, sure.
Squish them together.
I moved to Stockholm 10 years ago and it's full of amazing places. My guide includes a restaurant oasis, a store full of treasures, and a cafe that doubles as an art gallery. Snickerbacken is my favorite cafe. I love to pop in, get some work done, and see the artwork before I start a busy day. Stockholm is full of interior design stores, but Brandstationen is absolutely my favorite.
Wow, this is so cool. It's an actual tiger. Visions Boutique
Is the best store in the city for Afrocentric hair products.
Anything that has to do with hair, I'm here for it, okay? Now I'm gonna show you the best ice cream joint in town. Let's go. Hello.
How are you today?
I would like to try the ice cream burger.
Would you like to learn how to make one?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
We're gonna take the donut, mud cake ice cream, salted caramel on this. Squish them together. Then we're gonna grill it.
From 1 to 10? 11.
Awesome.
I'm taking this.
When I think about what I'm going to wear, I always think about what makes you most comfortable and what makes you still look classy at the same time. Rotana is such a treasure. It's outside of town and I love to come here with my friends and share some delicious Lebanese food. I never miss a Sunday at Slakthuset. If you want to end your weekend sweating on the dance floor, I'll meet you here. I hope you love Stockholm as much as I do. See you soon.